All right, so thank you so much for checking up on my YouTube channel once again. I am most grateful, and may God bless you. Okay, so straight away today, we are going to talk about how to do the GNAT bundle registration. That is the actual registration. You know, before you can be able to purchase the bundle monthly, you need to be a registered member first. Okay, so this tutorial is all about how to register to become a beneficiary of the GNAT bundle. All right, there's been a lot of tutorials on my YouTube channel. You can actually check it out and then check a lot of them. That is, you see, when you get to the playlist section, you can find the tech tutorials over here, and then you see how to buy the bundles, and then how to check if your Ghana card, the GOG payslip, a lot of tutorials over here and all that. And so if you are first over here, you can get to the playlist section and then you select the tech tutorials. I have a lot of tutorials over here on my YouTube channel, but today, straight away, as I've said earlier, we are actually going to concentrate on how to do the actual registration. All right, so first of all, ideally, GNAT together with MTN mostly send the messages to those who are already members, and sometimes to maybe other numbers can also have access to it. So when you have the message, they open it once every month. So this is how the message looks like. Let's get to our official Telegram channel. You see, as you can see over there, someone just posted over there. So every month the link will be in, all right, for you to do the registration. Now the link for each month is separate. For example, last month's link is separate from this month's own. You get that. So, and then it works within a specific period of time, and so whenever the link is out, you try as much as possible to register as early as possible. Okay, and so to help you, I will always be updating the links, the registration links for each month under the comment section of this particular video. All right, so you can check it out every month, especially those of you who have not registered yet. And maybe if by the time that you're watching this video, the registration process or the registration period is over, don't worry. Getting to the late of each and every month, you can check it out on this same video at the comment section. I will place the link over there. That is the registration link for that particular month. All right, and so this is how the message reads. Registration is open for colleagues who are not yet beneficiaries of the staff bundle offer. Kindly reach out to interested colleagues, educate them about the terms of the offer, share the link below, and advise them to read every detail before completing the attached e-form. And so this is the link that we are going to use over there. All right, so that we click on the link, and then it's going to open the registration portal for you. Okay, let's wait patiently. Great. So now it says that March 2024 staff bundle registration. Kindly scroll down, read every detail diligently to the end, and complete the attached e-form if interested and ready to adhere to the terms of the offer. Please note that credit transfer, TableNet SIM, and ported phone numbers are not allowed on this offer. Bundle disbursement is not done instantly, but on schedule. Do not register again if you're already a beneficiary. That means if you're already a beneficiary, you can't use your own number to do the registration. So now when you check over here, it says that the asterisk indicates required question. That means all the indications over there that have the asterisk over there, it means you must fill those portions. Okay, all right, so let's start with the email. Now the email I've already opened now in use is the email you see over there. Yes, and so you only need to check over here. And then when we get down here, it says what the offer is. Now, a standard communication package spearheaded by GNAT Ashanti as a staff support offer intended to lessen the burden of teachers in their quest to fulfill professional and social communication needs. Package composition, as usual, there are two packages, 8.5 GB and 17 GB. Beneficiaries can opt for any of these two whenever an offer is open. And don't forget that the offer for the bundles or the packages is different from the actual registration link. Okay, so let's take note of that. Now the key features here is that package does not expire but not transferable. That means you can't transfer it from your SIM card to another SIM card, though it doesn't expire. Beneficiaries can access all existing voice and data packages from their service provider while enjoying the offer. Beneficiaries are, however, required to make at least one request within 1 calendar month to avoid being suspended. Beneficiaries are therefore advised strongly to assess their readiness to commit to the terms of the offer before getting on board. Only one phone number per staff ID is allowed. Now, phone number used cannot be changed. All right, so I'm taking time to go over all these so that you understand it very well before you can continue with the registration. Now, the package request and the payment procedure. Request for the package is made through a short code. Now, the short code is communicated to applicants upon approval of registration as beneficiaries. What it means is that when you're able to register successfully, whenever the offer is open, you're going to receive a message onto your phone. Okay, so that you follow that link to actually read the terms and conditions, and before you can use the short code to request for your preferred package. Now, the short code is, however, open for submission of request only when an offer is available and announced. That means when between the duration where you need to request for your offer or your package, if you don't do that and the time elapses, when you enter the short code, you can't have access to it. All right, so let's take note of that. Mostly when the message comes in, they normally give about 2 days interval, so you have only 2 days to actually request for your bundle. Now, details of each announced offer, including request procedure, is shared with beneficiaries ahead of each request cycle. Changes in schedule as a result of a holiday or unforeseen events are communicated to beneficiaries ahead of each schedule. Payment is part of the bundle request process and can be done from any mobile money wallet across all networks through the short code. Detailed write-up of all one needs to know and notes about the offer is shared with each applicant upon approval of registration. Now, service timelines. The offer does not run on pay-as-you-go basis. The schedule below is currently adhered to in each request cycle. Submission of request, it takes place within 24 hours, and then bundle disbursement 72 hours, and then the complaint resolution 24 hours. So in case any thing happens, okay, and you are not able to even get your bundle within the period of disbursement, you can lodge a complaint, so that takes place within 24 hours. The eligibility, valid staff ID as proof of identity. So right now that we're going to continue with the process or the registration steps, we're going to need a valid staff ID. Now, commitment to patronize the package on monthly basis. Yes, ideally you must have that in mind. Yes, and then the third one says that active MTN number you want a bundle to be served on. Don't forget, TableNet numbers are not allowed, and then also credit numbers are also not allowed for this actual package. Now, vetting and approval of registration. All entries received will be subjected to a vetting process. Those approved will subsequently be contacted via SMS by March 30th. And so what it means is that currently we are doing the registration with the March registration portal. Okay, so when you are to register for, let's say, the next month, God willing, April, you also need to have the link for April registration. So that is how it works. So you cannot keep this link. Actually, we're going to update the links at the comment section, as I said earlier, okay, so that you can follow that link and then do your registration. So for instance, if you check, and then what we've posted there is, let's say, in March, and let's say you're watching this video in April or maybe May, that means that link is not in use anymore. Right, so let's take note of that. But when you are fortunate to watch this maybe in April, and you see the link was updated in April at the comment section of this particular video, that means it's active. You can pass through that and do your registration. All right, so now let's get to the affirmation of commitment. I have read and noted all the terms of offer outlined, and I am ready to be part of it. Say yes and proceed to complete the form below. All right, so yes, automatically your first name, so you enter your first name. All right, so you are done entering the first name, the last name. Okay, so now your staff ID, that's where you are to enter your staff ID, and then the name of your school. Okay, right, so done. Now then the district, right, and now you select your region, that is it, Ashanti region, and then enter a preferred MTN number to which the bundle is to be served. So now you enter the number on which you want the bundle to be served. So that's the number I've pasted over there. All right, so now if you are able to finish with it, you see when you check down here, it says that page 1 of 1. You get it. That means it's only page 1. You don't have any other page to fill in the form again. So that's it. Now that you've been able to do this, you are through. You are done. That is all. And so what you are to do is to click on the submit button or the submit tab over here on your screen right away. So that's what you need to click on, and then they will start the vetting process. So this is as simple as that. Okay, and if you have any challenge, any problem over there, when you give it a try, don't hesitate to put your questions at the comment section over here, and then we are actually going to assist you all the times, as I have always been doing. And so right now the only thing you need to do is just to click on the submit, as I've said earlier. Right after that, that is all. You are through. They will do the vetting, and then at the 30th day of March, when you are through, or when your registration is successful, you will receive your message onto your phone. So I wish you all the best as you're about to start it. Whatever questions, challenges that you have on some of these tutorials, some of these registrations and all that, you can check on my playlist section. You click on the tech tutorials, as I started with that part, and then you're going to get a lot of tutorials over there, and I'm sure they are going to help you. If this video has helped and assisted you in any way, don't forget to click on the like button, and then also you can as well share this video for others to actually have a watch, so that together we can help other people across the country. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you have not done that. And thank you to all of you who have already subscribed to my channel. As you know, we've been moving around the country to discover people with special talent. Not only that, beautiful places and tourist sites across the country, and then also to have an engagement with entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs, so that their life stories can motivate you and I and the youth in general. Okay, so if you would want to be receiving content like this, in fact powerful content like this, you can actually click on the subscribe button and be part of this wonderful family. And please, after clicking on the subscribe button, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that whenever there is a tutorial like this, whenever there is a video, any discovery video like this, you can also be part of the first people to have access to the video. All right, so now we are going to click on the submit button, okay, to see what is actually going to happen. All right, so that is the submit button or tab over here on your screen. So now we filled all the forms, and so let's click on that and see what happens. Great. So now this is the feedback you are going to get. March 2024 staff bundle registration. Thanks for your interest in the offer. Your registration status will be communicated to you via SMS by March 30th. Don't forget, as they told us in the process. So this is the simple process or the simple steps that you need to pass through to do your registration. As I said earlier, each and every month the link for the registration comes with a new test. Okay, so you cannot use March link to register during April or during any other month. No. And so what you need to do is that click on the subscribe button. Okay, put the subscribe button on, all right, and turn on the notification button right now, so that whenever there's an update over here, you can actually get to find out and be updated and know what to do and what not to do. And as I promised you, each and every month, as soon as GNAT sends in the link, the new link for registration, I will update it over here under this same video at the comment section. So let the comment section of this video be your friend. Okay, yes, I'll update it so that when we're in April, definitely when you come over here, you get a link to register for within the April month. And when we are in May, throughout. Okay, so anytime that the link comes in, I'll do well to also update it over here for you, so that you can also have access to it. So if maybe you are watching now and you are trying to do the registration by following the link that has been updated at the comment section, the March link, and it says that March registration is over, don't worry. Okay, you wait small. During April, God willing, around this same time, getting to the late April thereabout, you can check it out once again and see if the April link has been updated over here at the comment section. Then you pass through it and do registration as early as possible and as quickly as possible. In fact, I'm sure this particular video is going to help you in so many ways. And please, if this video has helped you, as usual, don't forget to share this video. Okay, you just take some few seconds, click on the share button, share it with other people, with other teachers, with other colleagues, so that together we can help ourselves. And not only that, you can also give it a like, all right, a thumbs up. Just give it a like for us. And then also whatever comment that you have, if you have any question, if you're facing any challenge, I'll be available 24/7 to attend to you over here at the comment section. So you place it at the comment section so that when I attend to you over there, it's also going to help a lot of people who are going to also be watching and be reading from the comment section. And most importantly, try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As usual, I've been moving around the country to discover people with special talent, talented people, and you'll be really amazed when you check on my video categories or video section to watch a lot of discoveries over here. In fact, there are a lot of people in our country who are, really talented, you see. So we've taken upon ourselves to be moving around the country, from the east to the west, from the north to the south, to discover some of these people, to unveil and showcase their talent to the world, so that together we can actually help and support them. All right, and not only that, also trying to showcase the beautiful places of the country. All right, and then the tourist site. So ever since I started there's been a lot of coverages over here on my YouTube channel, so you can also check it out over here. And then we also try to engage young and successful entrepreneurs, so that with their success story, it can also motivate you and I, can also motivate the youth and those of us who will be watching. Okay, so kindly subscribe if you want to be receiving powerful contents like this. Kindly subscribe and be part of this wonderful family, and I'll be grateful to have you as part of the family. Thank you so much. I'm most grateful for your time and everything, and I promise to continue to give out the best for you. All right, so thank you so much, and this is where we bring the lesson, our today's tutorial, to an end. Till we meet next time, God willing. All that I'm saying is that God bless you and do have a wonderful day.